Hello and welcome dear students to your own channel. Today we are starting triangles after doing the Thales theorem and its converse we are doing now. It's proceeding to exercise 6.2 and which is very easy exercise. Hope you will enjoy this exercise also, which is very easy if you have done both the theorems. So these exercises are very easy for you. Okay, so let us quickly revise what was your basic proportionality theorem. क्या थी वो? अगर वन ऑफ द साइड इज पैरेलल टू अनदर साइड, ट्राइंगल की एक साइड के पैरेलल अगर दूसरी साइड हो तो जो द टू साइड्स आर डिवाइडेड इन द सेम रेशियो. ठीक है, एंड द कन्वर्स ऑफ इट वाज if the two sides are divided in a same ratio of a triangle, then the line which intersects two sides is parallel to the third side. ठीक है, अगर सेम रेशियो में होंगे तो लाइन थर्ड साइड के पैरेलल होगी, अगर लाइन थर्ड साइड के पैरेलल है तो साइड सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड होंगी. दिस वाज योर theorems. The whole exercise is based on these two theorems only. So let us quickly start our exercise. So this is the first question. Figures I have already drawn for you. So what is the question? In the figure 6.17 first part and second part, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. ये given है कि DE is parallel to BC and here also DE is parallel to BC. तो ये इसके parallel है और ये इसके parallel है. This is given to us. And find EC. तो हमें EC निकालना है. This EC we have to find and here, okay, find EC in first and AD in second and AD in second. This side we have to find in second. ठीक है. तो now which theorems do you remember? Quickly it should strike in your mind that कि this side is given parallel to this side and this side is given to parallel to this side. तो बाकी दो साइड सेम रेशियो में होंगी. बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम. इसका मतलब we are given DE is parallel to BC. Therefore क्या होगा? सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड होंगी. AD अपॉन DB should be equals to AE अपॉन EC. ऐसा ही इस वाले में भी सेम है. गिवन है हमें DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Okay? AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. By basic proportionality theorem. By BPT. By basic proportionality theorem. दोनों क्वेश्चन हम साइड बाय साइड साथ कर रहे हैं. Okay? So now, what is AD here? AD is 1.5. रख लो यहाँ पे 1.5 upon DB is 3 centimeter equals to AE 1 centimeter. EC हमें फाइंड करना है. सेम वे यहाँ भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो. AD you have to find DB 7.2 centimeter is equals to AE 1.8 centimeter and EC is 5.4 centimeter. अननोन है बोरेबल तो AD इसमें फाइंड करना है तो अननोन is AD. And here you have to find EC, so unknown is EC. Cross multiply E this side and 1.5 in denominator और EC यहाँ numerator में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. So EC will come here and 1 into 3 divided by 1.5. Decimal you remove 1 0 up. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So EC is equals to 2 centimeter. तो EC कितना आ गया? 2 centimeter. देखो 1:2 में डिवाइड हो रहा तो ये भी 1:2 में डिवाइड होगा. ठीक है. यहाँ पर वैसे ही देखो आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए. दिस इज 18 3s are 54. तो ये 1:3 में है तो ये भी 1:3 में होना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो इसका 1/3 कर दो तो इसको 3 से डिवाइड कर दो तो 3 2s are 6, 1 3 4s are 12, 2.4 आना चाहिए इसका. ठीक है. तो सेम वे नाउ यू कैन डू AD ही रहने दो. देन 1.8 7.2 in numerator divided by 5.4. So decimal to decimal cancel. 18 3s are, अब 3 से इसको डिवाइड कर दो. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So therefore AD is equals to 2.4 centimeters. So it's very easy question. Okay, these types of question 1 marks it always comes in your board examination. ठीक है. कि अगर sides दी हो तो one part you have to find. हमेशा एक question जरूर आता है. ठीक है. Find like this. So let us move to second question now. Now the second question is given to us that E and F are the points on side PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. So let us make the triangle PQR. So I am making the triangle PQR. Okay. So E and F are the points on side PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. Okay. Then what you have to do, for each of the following case state whether EF is parallel to QR. तो हमें स्टेट करना है कि whether EF is parallel to QR or not for the following cases. अब यहाँ पे 3 parts आपको given है. Okay. First part is PE is equals to 3.9 centimeter, EQ is 3 centimeter and PF is 3.6 centimeter, FR is 2.4 सेंटीमीटर. तो हमें क्या फाइंड करना है इसमें कि वेदर EF इज पैरेलल टू QR. तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, अगर हमारे ये रेशियो, अगर ये साइड सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड हो रही है तो डेफिनेटली EF इज पैरेलल टू QR. ओके, सो बाय बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम. सो व्हाट नहीं, बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम, if these two sides are in same ratio, so this is parallel to this. So by converse of, okay, converse of BPT basic proportionality theorem, हमारे पास क्या है, रेशियो निकालते हैं. P upon EQ, PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. अगर ये सेम में आ रहा है तो this will find one by one. ठीक है, PE upon EQ, what is PE? 3.9 upon EQ 3. Okay, find the ratio, cancel 0. 3 tens are 30, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So it is 13 upon 10. Okay. So 1.3 ratio 1, or we can write 1.3 ratio 1. Okay. Now second we will find PF upon FR. PF upon FR. What is PF? 3.6. FR 2.4. Cancel out, decimal to decimal cancel. Okay. 3 से हो जाए, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So it is coming 3 ratio 2 ratio 3. That means 3 ratio 2. So it is 13 upon 10. 1.3 ratio 1, it is 3 ratio 2. So because both of the ratios are not equal, so this is not parallel to this. So we'll write as PE upon EQ is not equals to PF upon FR. दोनों रेशियो सेम नहीं है, therefore EF is not parallel to what? QR. तो हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि we have to find whether this is parallel to this. In the first case this is not possible. Let us quickly do the second one. Okay. So second part is PE is 4 centimeter. Second part is given to us. PE is equals to 4 centimeter. QE is equals to 4.5 centimeter. PF is equals to 8 centimeter and RF is equals to 9 centimeter. Okay. So in this also we have to find whether this is parallel to this. तो हम ratio निकाल देते हैं. If the ratios are equal, this will be parallel. By converse of बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम. आई टोल्ड यू, ये दोनों अच्छे से लर्न कर लो, एवरी क्वेश्चन विल बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर यू. ओके, कौन सी कन्वर्स है, कौन सी बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम, बस इतना ही आना है. ओके, सो नाउ राइट P अपॉन EQ. P अपॉन EQ. सो व्हाट इज PE? 4. EQ कितना है? EQ 4.5. ओके, तो दिस इज रिमूव करो तो 40 अपॉन 45 हो गया. 5 9s are 45, 5 8s are 40. तो ये 8 रेशियो 9 आ गया. ठीक है, देन वी विल फाइंड PF अपॉन FR एंड PF अपॉन FR. व्हाट इज PF? 8, FR 9. ओके, 8 रेशियो 9, 8 रेशियो 9. विल राइट बिकॉज PE अपॉन EQ is equals to PF upon FR. तो दोनों इक्वल हैं, which is equals to 8 ratio 9. तो therefore EF is parallel to QR. तो in this case it is parallel to QR. Okay, very easy. So now let us do the third part of it. Now the third part, these are the sides given to you. Okay, so same way we will again start what? By converse of बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम, बीपीटी। हमें क्या प्रूफ करना है कि ये इसके पैरेलल है या नहीं है, तो हम ये रेशियो से प्रूफ करेंगे। इफ द रेशियोज आर इक्वल दिस विल बी पैरेलल, ये कन्वर्स में। ओके, सो फर्स्ट फाइंड पीई अपॉन EQ. What is PE? 0.18 divided by EQ. EQ. Where is EQ? This. Okay, this is not given to you. So what you will write? P upon what is given to you, or first you will see here. This is a little different way. So what is PQ is given to you? PQ, this full is given to you. Okay. PR, this full is given to you. That means PQ is this full is 1.28 and PR is this full is 2.56. Okay. And PE, this much part is given to you. This is 0.18 and this PF is this one 0.36. अब हमारे पास the ratio, how will find this one? This upon this is equals to this upon this. So what we are doing? See, we knows कि रेशियो अगर सेम होता है PE अपॉन EQ इज इक्वल्स टू PF अपॉन FR, तो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, ठीक है, कि बिकॉज वी आर नॉट गिविंग दीज टू सेपरेट पार्ट्स, वी आर गिविंग द होल साइड. ओके, सो व्हाट वी वांट PQ, हमें PQ चाहिए और हमें क्या है PE दिया हुआ है, तो PE को हमें चेंज नहीं करना है, PF को हमें चेंज नहीं करना है, क्या चेंज करना है हमें EQ को चेंज करना है. ठीक है, तो EQ की जगह हमें क्या चाहिए PQ चाहिए, दिस वी वांट, जबकि PE ऑलरेडी वी आर हैविंग बट EQ वो डोंट हैव, तो वी वांट PQ. तो व्हाट वी वांट, जिसको चेंज करना होता है तो डू द रेसिप्रोकल. सेम वे PF इज गिवन टू अस, PF तो हमें दिया हुआ है, ठीक है फाइन, बट FR इज नॉट गिवन टू अस, तो हमें FR को चेंज करना है. ठीक है, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, विच वी वांट टू चेंज उसको न्यूमरेटर में कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, और जिसको हमें कांस्टेंट रखना होता है उसको नीचे कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, सो आई एम चेंजिंग दिस बट इट विल बी नो चेंज. So we can write this ratio as EQ upon PE is equals to FR upon PF. ठीक है, ये learn रखना because this will do so many times in the exercise. Okay. अब now what we will do, EQ हमें change करना है, so what we'll write, EQ में अगर हम PE add करेंगे तो PQ बन जाएगा, we have PQ, so PE add करेंगे, so what we'll write, adding +1 both the sides. ठीक है, EQ upon PE +1 इस साइड भी कर दो and FR upon PF +1 this side also. ठीक है, +1 कर देते हैं. So take the LCM, what will want, EQ plus LCM PE यहाँ जाएगा upon PE is equals to FR plus ये 1/1 है, PF will come off upon PF. EQ plus PE, EQ plus PE कितना हो गया PQ. Now we got PQ upon PE is equals to FR plus PF, FR plus PF, PR upon PF. Now we got all the things. Now we got the value of each and every one. ठीक है, अगर इनका रेशियो इक्वल होगा तो this will be valid to this. Now put the value. PQ, where is PQ? 1.28, 1.28 whole divided by PE 0.18, 0.18 should be equals to PR. Where is PR? 2.56, 2.56. Okay, and whole divided by PF 0.36, 0.36. Okay, let us solve these two. These are equal or not. ठीक है, so I am writing AND. ठीक है, so what, you cancel out, decimal to decimal cancel out. So what will write, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. ठीक है, बस here also 2 1s are 2 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 64 upon 9 and 64 upon 9. So we'll write because, so we can write like this also, because PQ upon PR, P is equals to PR upon PF. ये रेशियो भी सेम है, मतलब साइड्स का रेशियो सेम होना चाहिए. ठीक है, so we will write here because PQ upon PE is equals to PR upon PF. ये दोनों equal हैं, which is equals to 64 upon 9. So therefore EF is parallel to QR. Okay, got? Like this we will prove this. ये इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस, one I told you कि एक आते ही हैं कि you have to find like this. Okay, So there are 3 parts in second question. We have done it. So now we will start question number, this was second question. Now question number 3 we will start. So quickly let us start the third question. So now in third question this figure is given to us. Okay, so let us read what is the question. This is the figure given in third question. So what is third question? In figure 6.18, this is the figure 6.18. Okay, if LM is parallel to CB, LM is parallel to CB, given है कि ये दोनों parallel हैं, ठीक है. LM is parallel to CB, LN is parallel to CD, LN is parallel to CD, ये दोनों parallel हैं, ठीक है. These two lines are parallel, these two lines are parallel. Prove that. So given we will write, and I told you जो भी given and to prove होता है, please write it and draw the figure. 1 marks आपको इसी में मिलता है. Okay, so given is LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Okay, so this is parallel to this is parallel to this. To prove, we have to prove. What we have to prove? AM upon AB is equals to AN upon AD. ठीक है. So this question is also very easy. दिखने में हमें ऐसा लगता है but the questions are very easy. ठीक है. So what we have to prove? AM upon AB upon AB. इसका मतलब कि AM upon MB नहीं दिया हुआ है. AM upon AB दिया हुआ है full side. इसका मतलब जो भी आएगा हमें +1 करना होगा. So till as we have done last question. ठीक है. AN upon ND, AN upon फिर AD. This full is given to us. Now see the triangles. First this ratio AM upon AB, AM upon AB. So which triangle is given to us? This triangle. Okay, can you say this triangle? And for this ratio AN upon AD, AN upon AD, we want this triangle. Okay, so we have two triangles, triangle number 1 and triangle number 2. Okay, these two triangles we have. So in triangles, so proof we will do. See, इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी, पहले ऊपर वाले ट्राइंगल में ए बी सी, एस एल एम इज पैरेलल टू सी बी, ये साइड इसके पैरेलल है. तो हमें भी कभी भी व्हाट थ्योरम, विच थ्योरम्स कम्स इन योर माइंड? बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम, क्योंकि गिवन है कि वन साइड इज पैरेलल टू थर्ड साइड. तो क्या होगा? द रेस्ट टू साइड्स, इस ट्राइंगल की एक साइड ये है, एक साइड ये, द रेस्ट टू साइड्स विल बी इन सेम रेशियो. So therefore by basic proportionality theorem AM upon MB, ऐसा ही होता है ना, AM upon MB is equals to AL upon LC. ये हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ये इस वाले के लिए. ठीक है. Same way for this ratio AN upon AD, we will take triangle number 2. So in triangle ADC, okay, by basic proportionality theorem BPT, AN upon ND, because this side is parallel to this side, so the two sides are in the same ratio. AN upon ND, AN upon ND is equals to AL upon LC, AL upon LC. Equation number 2. Okay, now can you see equation 1 and 2? In equation 1 and 2, one of the sides are equal, so the other two sides will also be equal. Okay, so from here, from equation 1 and 2, AM upon MB is equals to AN upon ND. ठीक है. So we got this. इतना हमें मिल गया. So now beta, now see what we have to prove. ठीक है. AM है हमारे पास अपॉन ए बी, बट वी डोंट रिक्वायर्ड एम बी. एम बी की जगह हमें क्या चाहिए? ए बी. ये हमें नहीं चाहिए. प्लीज डोंट सर्कल इट, आई एम सर्कलिंग फॉर यू. ए एन अपॉन एन बी, प्रूफ करना है ए एन तो हमें मिल गया, बट ए डी की जगह हमारे पास एन डी है, तो ये भी हमें थोड़ा रिमूव करना है. ठीक है. तो आई टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, जो हमें रिमूव करना होता है उसको कहाँ ले जाते हैं? न्यूमरेटर में. ओके, सो आई एम चेंजिंग दिस इक्वेशन. सी here I am just erasing, I am changing the equation, just I am reversing it. Okay, so MB upon AM, there will be no effect. Okay, MB upon AM is equals to ND upon ए एन, ठीक है। अब हमें क्या बनाना है, ए एम भी ऑलरेडी है, यहाँ पर ए बी बनाना है एम बी से, एम बी से हमें ए बी बनाना है। तो एम बी में अगर ए एम ऐड कर देंगे तो विल गेट ना, ऐड करेंगे। सो एम बी में जब ए एम ऐड करेंगे तो इसका मतलब ए एम ऐड करना है, मतलब +1 करना है, +1 यहाँ भी, ठीक है। एडिंग +1 बोथ द साइड, ओके। तो दोनों साइड ऐड कर दो, एम बी अपॉन ए एम +1 इज इक्वल्स टू एन डी अपॉन ए एन +1. Take the LCM, okay, very easy how to take the LCM. Now you should know, and please calculation part should be very strong of yours. upon 1 करते हैं. So here AM MB plus 1 into AM, तो AM से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, AM plus अब ऊपर this is the LCM equals to AN, अब ND तो as it is plus 1 into AN, तो ऊपर भी AN से मल्टीप्लाई, ओके। सो MB plus AM, MB plus AM, AB आ गया, सो AB अपॉन AM, ओके, इज इक्वल्स टू ND plus AN, ND plus AN, AD will get AD upon AN. Now see in the proof what we have to prove. You have to prove AM upon AB. AM upon AB is equals to AN upon AD. AN upon AD. बस इसको रिवर्स कर दो, okay? So therefore, or we can write it, AM upon AB is equals to AN upon AD. This is proved, okay? So this was your third question. It is not tough. If you do practice one times, it becomes very easy for you. Okay, so quickly let us start the fourth one. Now this is the figure of fourth question is given to you. Now let us see what is the fourth question. Okay, so what is fourth question? In figure 6.19, this is figure 6.19. DE is parallel to AC. Where is DE? DE is parallel to AC. That means this side and this side are parallel. Okay, so I marked with one line, so you can easily identify. DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. ये दोनों पैरेलल है आपस में लगे, okay? Prove that. So very first you write given, okay? What is given to you? DE is parallel to AC, and the second thing is given to you, DF is parallel to AE. Now to prove, what you have to prove? You have to prove that BF upon FE is equals to BE upon EC, okay? So see the proof. BF ये दिख रहा, अपॉन FE कौन सा ट्राइंगल दिख रहा है? BF अपॉन FE, ये ट्राइंगल, ठीक है, दिस ट्राइंगल yours. B अपॉन EC, BE अपॉन EC, this full triangle, okay? So let us see. DE is parallel to AC. जो given है उसको देखो, ये और ये पैरेलल है, ठीक है, तो कौन सा ट्राइंगल लेंगे? ये बड़ा वाला, this big triangle we will take. This is parallel to this, so the sides will also be in proportion by basic proportionality theorem. Therefore BE upon EC is equals to BD upon DA, ठीक है। तो first I am writing from here, proof as DE is parallel to AC. Therefore in triangle ABC using basic proportionality theorem, okay, because one side is parallel to another sides, so we'll write therefore BE upon EC should be equals to this line BD upon DA. Let me write equation number 1. Up see the second one, DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. ये दोनों पैरेलल हैं, तो कौन सा ट्राइंगल लेंगे? This triangle, ठीक है। So for this case, and as DF is parallel to AE, तो using basic proportionality theorem in triangle BEA, okay, BEA. So use करो DF ना, this side, तो F और D पॉइंट लेना है, ठीक है। So what will write? BF upon FE is equals to BD upon DA. Okay, so what will write? BD upon DA, equation number 2. So now you can see equation number 1 and 2, BD upon DA, BD upon DA, one of the side is equal. So these two will also be equal. From equation 1 and 2, BE upon EC is equals to BF upon FE. Okay. Now see how much we have to do more. See what we have to prove. BF upon FE, BF upon FE is equals to BE upon EC. BE upon EC. We don't have to do any more because already it is proved. Till only here only. So this is proved. And easy. So these are very easy questions, beta. If you will do continuously practice and you are having a rough copy, please take the rough copy, because without rough copy, please don't practice. Okay. So while seeing the maths, it will not come to you. So you should have a rough copy and pen with you. If you do with me and these two theorems you knows better, so it will be properly come to you. So let us start our fifth question directly. So let us start the fifth one. So this is the figure of your fifth question. Okay. So what is given to you? Let us read the question. And this question is also very easy. While seeing the figure, it looks very typical, but it is not typical. It's very easy. Okay. Question number 5 is in figure 6.20. DE is parallel to OQ. DE, this line is parallel to OQ, which is equal. So I am marking one side. Okay. These two are parallel. DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. तो ये दोनों parallel हैं. ठीक है. This is given to us. Show that. So what is given to us? Given DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. ये दोनों parallel हैं. These two are parallel. To prove. Show that लिखा है ना. To prove EF is parallel to QR. तो हमें प्रूफ करना है कि EF QR के पैरेलल है. ठीक है. इसका मतलब क्या प्रूफ करना है? कि हमें कन्वर्स ऑफ बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम प्रूफ करनी है कि दिस साइड इज पैरेलल टू दिस साइड. तो ये कब होगी? जब रेशियो ऑफ दिस एंड दिस शुड बी इक्वल्स टू PF अपॉन FR. जब PE अपॉन EQ इज इक्वल्स टू PF अपॉन FR होगा तो EF विल बी पैरेलल टू QR होगा. ठीक है. by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now what we are doing, simply जैसे आप given से लेते हो तो we are taking from given as first condition. DE is parallel to OQ. DE OQ के parallel है. तो देखो ये दोनों साइड parallel है तो कौन सा triangle आएगा? This triangle आएगा. तो जो है वो लो. ठीक है. PQO in triangle PQO by बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम. अगर ये इसके पैरेलल है तो ये दो पॉइंट. सो PE अपॉन EQ शुड बी इक्वल्स टू PD अपॉन DO हो जाएगा. ठीक है. बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम से दैट मीन्स PE अपॉन EQ इज इक्वल्स टू PD अपॉन DO. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. एंड नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द सेकंड केस एज DF इज पैरेलल टू OR. सो इन ट्राइंगल कौन सा ट्राइंगल लेंगे? देखो DF और OR. DF और OR पैरेलल है तो कौन सा ट्राइंगल आएगा? POR. ये वाला ट्राइंगल आएगा क्योंकि ये दोनों पैरेलल है. ठीक है. सो इन ट्राइंगल POR व्हाट सेम वे यूजिंग बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम. सो व्हाट विल हैव? PD अपॉन DO. क्योंकि DF पैरेलल है ना तो PD ये दोनों पॉइंट आएंगे. सो PD अपॉन DO. PD upon DO. Okay, this is PD. It should be equals to PF upon FR. PF upon FR. Equation number 2. जो हमें given था इससे हमें ये मिला, इससे हमें ये मिला. Now let us compare the two equation. देखो PD upon DO. PD upon DO. One of the side is equal, so the two sides will also be equal. So what we'll write? From equation 1 and 2. These two are equal, so these two are also equal. PE upon EQ should be equals to PF upon FR. PE P upon EQ should be equals to PF upon FR. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, if the ratio of two sides are equals, then the line is parallel to the third side. So write therefore by converse of basic proportionality theorem, if two sides divides in same ratio, then the other two sides are parallel. Okay, therefore EF is parallel to QR. Okay, so this was your proof. This you have shown. So this was your fifth question. Okay, so in this video we are doing only 5 questions. 5 questions we will do in the next video. Okay, so enjoy yourself and do practice. Till then, do like the video and share the video, and please comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.